Hey everyone, I'm Phil the Puppet Boy, and I'm so happy that you're watching the show. It's almost till Christmas. I'm super excited about that. Yeah, ever since I've been wondering what I want for Christmas, I don't know. I would be happy. I would probably want to be Santa's little helper. Yeah, it's true. I will love being Santa's little helper. Yeah. Oh. I can't wait until Christmas. Sorry guys, I'm just looking for something. Yeah, I am super excited about Christmas. I don't know what's dropping. Hang on, folks. I'll be right back. Yes. Where was that? Oh, yeah. I am super excited about Christmas. I've been watching a bunch of puppet videos, probably wondering what they want for Christmas. Usually some kids will say, all I want for Christmas is my 2 front teeth. La la la. Yeah, that's what some kids would want to say for Christmas. Like, let's see. What do I want for Christmas? I'm still trying to think. Usually Christmas is not all about presents or anything. It's what some people may think, but it's about giving. It's about giving. Yeah. Sorry I've been making any videos about me in a while because I've been too busy setting up stuff. I just wanted to catch up with some of my creative video projects because I love doing that sort of stuff. Anyway, if you are excited about Christmas, you can always comment in my video. You can always comment this video down below if you already know how to do that stuff. Anyway, what I want for Christmas is to be with my grandparents. Usually, I don't know if I haven't seen my grandparents in a while. That would be amazing. Anyway, usually some people would think I should get a brother that looks like Kermit the Frog. Maybe I should get a banjo and sing the Rainbow Connection. Yeah, I would love to have one of those. Just like in the Muppet movie, I would totally want to sing Rainbow Connection. Yeah, just like this Jim Henson character, I would just find. Maybe. Let's see. Oh, come on. Let's see. Sorry, folks, I'm just trying to find out where I put it. Will you excuse me for a sec? Thanks. Alright, sorry, folks. Yeah, I can carry things with my hand, but... No. Sorry, folks. Sorry, you okay? I thought so. Anyway, let me show you my Jim Henson figure. Yeah, it looks pretty amazed. Anyway, thank you for watching Phil the Puppet Boy. I don't know what's gotten into me. Usually I watched an episode about Kermit going to a stress place, and he got kicked out because he had a phone. I probably wouldn't want to do that. Anyway, please subscribe to Phil the Puppet Boy, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.